Okay, so we got plug on this side. We got a green wire with red taped up into this just black wire, and it goes under there, back into a green with red, and then we also have, what is this, a red with blue stripe running into, yeah, a red with a blue stripe there. Focus, you fuck. I guess there just wasn't slightly enough. This one was like, you could see like it's, focus, yeah, kink there because it was pulled all the way tight like that to try to reach there. So obviously put some more wire in there. I got green with a red here that's just cut off. This I assume goes to automatics. The speedo cable squeals. I don't know if you can pull the inner out of that. I might just see if I can. I don't see a clip in there necessarily. Can we zoom in? See? Focus, focus. Nah, whatever. But yeah, it's squealing. Maybe I can pull the inner out and just spray some lube up in there. And thread it back in. Maybe that'll work, rather than having to pull the whole speedo cable out. But yeah. And then I think these might be, they're a little expanded because they had some fucking wood screws in there for some reason. These ones at the top were okay, but not matching screws. Yeah, here's the, yeah, anyway, this random short video here. I was like, is this an automatic? Because the VIN kept pulling up automatic. I was like, no, manual. But apparently swapped at some point. They did a fairly clean job in the engine bay. I mean, the mount looks factory in there, but yeah, obviously electronics weren't their strong suit. So gonna have to try to find my wire and clean that up a bit, at least give me a little bit of extra length on things. But yeah, it looks like, I guess in the automatic, some things are on one side and versus the other, because they've obviously had to repin, pull the pins out of this and bring it over to this side, which, I mean, I guess that's a thing. I don't know. Anyway, a bunch of shit.